Hello and welcome to SimpleBitcoin. In today's video, we are going to be discussing the difference between Layer 1 and Layer 2 blockchains. Before we dive into the topic, let's first define what a blockchain is. A blockchain is a decentralized, distributed ledger that records transactions on multiple computers. These transactions are grouped into blocks and are secured using cryptography. Each block is connected to the previous block, forming a chain of blocks, hence the name blockchain. Now that we have a basic understanding of blockchains, let's talk about Layer 1 and Layer 2 blockchains. Layer 1 blockchains, also known as the base layer or the main chain, are the foundation of a blockchain network. These blockchains are responsible for verifying and recording transactions, as well as maintaining the network's consensus rules. Some examples of Layer 1 blockchains include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. These blockchains have their own native tokens, which are used to facilitate transactions on the network. One of the main advantages of Layer 1 blockchains is their decentralized nature. Because they are not controlled by any single entity, they are resistant to censorship and tampering. This makes them ideal for storing valuable or sensitive information. However, there are also some limitations to Layer 1 blockchains. One of the main challenges is their scalability. Because all transactions must be verified by the entire network, the number of transactions that can be processed per second is limited. This can lead to slow transaction times and high fees, especially during periods of high network usage. Layer 2 blockchains, also known as the off-chain or second layer, are built on top of a Layer 1 blockchain. They are designed to improve the scalability and efficiency of a blockchain network by allowing transactions to be processed off the main chain. Some examples of Layer 2 blockchains include the Lightning Network for Bitcoin and the Raiden Network for Ethereum. These networks use a technique called off-chain transactions to process transactions outside of the main chain. One of the main advantages of Layer 2 blockchains is their improved scalability. Because transactions are processed off the main chain, they are not limited by the number of nodes on the network. This allows for faster transaction times and lower fees. Another advantage is their flexibility. Because they are built on top of a Layer 1 blockchain, Layer 2 blockchains can implement additional features and functionality that may not be possible on the main chain. However, there are also some limitations to Layer 2 blockchains. One of the main challenges is their reliance on the Layer 1 blockchain. If the Layer 1 blockchain goes offline or experiences issues, the Layer 2 blockchain may also be affected. Additionally, because Layer 2 blockchains are not decentralized, they are not as resistant to censorship and tampering as Layer 1 blockchains. In conclusion, Layer 1 and Layer 2 blockchains are two different types of blockchain networks that serve different purposes. Layer 1 blockchains are the foundation of a blockchain network and are responsible for verifying and recording transactions. They are decentralized and resistant to censorship and tampering, but have scalability challenges. Layer 2 blockchains are built on top of a Layer 1 blockchain and are designed to improve scalability and efficiency. They offer faster transaction times and lower fees, but are not as decentralized and may be affected by issues on the Layer 1 blockchain. Thank you for watching our video on the difference between Layer 1 and Layer 2 blockchains. We hope you found it informative and insightful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below.